You are staring at a massive, noisy $300 plastic electric dehumidifier, taking up space in the corner of your cramped bedroom. Its heavy water tank is sloshing around, and the motor is vibrating against the floor. Next to it sits a cheap, completely silent plastic bucket filled with a mysterious, dry white crystal. That completely forgotten $4 bucket of mystery crystals will do something that massive electric appliance desperately hopes you never figure out. Stay with me, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why plugging in that heavy machine is deliberately spiking your monthly electric bill, and how a handful of this dry crystal silently sucks every drop of moisture out of the air using absolutely zero electricity. Let's talk about the absolute headache of a damp house. You walk into your basement, your guest bedroom, or a dark closet, and you are immediately hit with that heavy, musty smell. You notice mold starting to form on your favorite leather shoes or condensation dripping down the inside of your windows. You immediately panic. You think you did something wrong. You blame yourself. You assume your house is failing, your foundation is cracking, or your insulation is completely ruined. Stop blaming yourself. You did not fail, your home maintenance is perfectly fine, and seasonal moisture creeping into dark spaces is completely normal. The fact that you are fighting dampness is not a structural failure on your part, but the expensive solution you are being forced to buy is a deliberate, engineered trap. When everyday homeowners smell mold or feel heavy humidity indoors, logic goes completely out the window. The home appliance industry has spent decades aggressively training you to panic. They want you to drive straight to the big box store and buy a massive electric dehumidifier the second you see a damp spot on a wall. They tell you that plugging a humming, vibrating box into your wall is the ultimate standard of household air control. They market these machines as heavy-duty moisture destroyers. They show you pristine digital displays and promise total comfort. That is a complete mechanical lie. So, you drop $300 on a heavy plastic unit. You drag it into your bedroom, plug it in, and completely trust the process. But you are paying a massive premium for an appliance that is actively functioning as an energy vampire. The appliance companies know exactly how much expensive electricity these machines burn just to squeeze a few drops of water out of the air, but they want you to keep it running continuously. They want you trapped in an incredibly expensive cycle. They deliberately engineer these machines with cheap internal compressors designed to automatically burn out after 2 short years. They guarantee that the motor will permanently fail, leaving you with a useless piece of plastic, ensuring you are forced to buy another brand new $300 unit. Let's talk about the physical mechanics hidden inside that massive plastic machine. When you turn on an electric dehumidifier, you are basically turning on a miniature, highly inefficient refrigerator. These machines rely on loud, spinning, motorized fans to forcefully drag the wet air from your room directly over a set of freezing cold metal coils. They are aggressively fighting the environment. They have to burn massive amounts of your expensive electricity just to force a few tiny drops of water to form on the metal and drip into the plastic tank. You are paying a massive utility bill every single month just to spin a loud fan and run a cheap motor that is guaranteed to break. Here's the part nobody tells you. You do not need a loud, expensive energy vampire to dry out your house. You need to walk completely out of the home appliance aisle and head straight to the hardware section of your local Home Depot. Look down at the very bottom shelf. You are looking for a heavy 4-pound clear and blue plastic bag of plain calcium chloride crystals. You will often see it sold as pure driveway ice melt or a generic moisture absorber refill. It costs exactly $4. That completely natural dry white salt is the ultimate ruthless weapon against indoor moisture. The commercial appliance industry knows all about this ancient, hyper-thirsty mineral, but they pretend it does not exist because it permanently ruins their ability to sell you expensive machines. To understand exactly why it works so perfectly, we do not need to look at complex thermodynamics or atmospheric science. We just need to look at how it physically behaves when it touches damp air. Stay with me, because this changes everything. Think of those dry white crystals exactly like a massive, invisible magnetic sponge. While an electric machine has to forcefully suck air across freezing coils, this natural mineral does the exact opposite. It sits completely still and lets the air come to it. Calcium chloride is a highly active, thirsty rock. When you leave a pile of these dry crystals sitting out in a damp basement or a humid closet, it physically pulls the heavy moisture directly out of the air. It rips the water away from the environment in total, absolute silence. Here is where it gets interesting. As this dry salt aggressively traps the floating water, the rock itself physically changes. It slowly melts down into a heavy, clear liquid puddle. It traps the dampness permanently. It does not vibrate, it does not heat up your room, and it does not have a cheap motor that is designed to burn out in 2 short years. It just sits quietly in the dark corner of your room, pulling gallons of water out of the air and keeping your entire house completely bone dry forever without ever plugging a single cord into the wall. Here is exactly how you execute this trick. You need that 4-pound bag of calcium chloride crystals, a cheap plastic bucket from the dollar store, and an ordinary plastic kitchen colander or strainer that fits firmly over the top of that bucket. Take your strainer and seat it perfectly inside the rim of the bucket. Now, take your bag of crystals and dump a heavy 2-cup scoop of the dry white salt directly into the center of the strainer. Do not put the salt inside the bucket. You want it sitting in the strainer, suspended over the empty space below. Place the bucket in the darkest, most musty corner of your room and walk away. That is literally all you have to do. But right here is where you might be hesitating. The absolute most common question homeowners ask before doing this is, if this mineral is aggressively pulling moisture out of the air, will it release a toxic chemical smell into my bedroom or cause some kind of corrosive damage to my furniture or my pets? The answer is absolutely not. Here's the part nobody tells you. Calcium chloride is a 100% natural, odorless earth mineral. It does not release a single gas or particle into your air. It only absorbs. Because it is completely inert and silent, you can leave it under your bed, in your expensive walk-in closet, or inside a basement where you store clothes, and it will never harm a single thing. It is so safe that it is widely used in food processing. It simply pulls the water vapor out of the room, turns it into a liquid, and safely holds it in the bucket until you are ready to dump it out. After about 1 week, walk over to your bucket, lift up the strainer. You will see that the dry white crystals have melted away and the bottom of your bucket is filled with a clear, heavy liquid puddle. That is the trapped moisture that was previously rotting your walls and making your clothes smell like mildew. Simply walk to your sink, pour that water down the drain, add a fresh 2-cup scoop of the dry salt to your strainer, and place the bucket back in the corner. By refusing to plug in that noisy $300 energy vampire, you are keeping hundreds of dollars firmly in your own pocket every single year. You completely bypass the inevitable planned failure of the appliance industry's cheap internal compressors. You have created a silent, maintenance-free, and incredibly effective system that keeps your entire home bone dry for pennies on the dollar. The appliance industry engineered an endless, expensive trap, creating a brilliant marketing loop to sell you the illusion of comfort while hiking your electric bill. If this silent, practical trick saved you from buying another overpriced electric dehumidifier, hit the like button right now. Weaponize the algorithm. Every single like tells the system to rescue other homeowners who are actively getting ripped off by the appliance industry's planned obsolescence. Make sure to subscribe because next time we're unmasking the planned obsolescence quietly hiding inside your expensive air purifier. I'll see you in that one.